What are y'all doing?
Well, just showing her that Wes fixed her squeaky floor.
Look.
Yahoo!
No squeak.
All right, we're good. They almost all do that right there. Can y'all help me out?
Sure.
Okay, the reason why I'm busy on you. There's a guy that watches your channel, and he's interested in the Santa Fe, but he wants the new style range. So can you come help me measure? I think he might get a kick of you telling me if it's going to work or not.
Of course.
All right. Okay. I want to know how tall it'll stick up and how much it'll stick out.
Okay.
Awesome.
This is to the top of the grate is 37 1/4.
What about to the right here?
To there?
Yeah.
Is 35 3/4.
All right. And then I guess front to back.
So front to back, we're at 25 and a, let's go 26.
What about to like here? To the, what do you think?
Well, I'm gonna guess, I'm gonna say it's no deeper than 27.
Okay.
To the handle.
You're a good helper.
We were at 37, you said?
I think so. I'll have to look back on the tape.
So if that's 37, you are going to be 4.5 inches above the countertop. So
no way. No.
Yep.
So you measured to the the floor there?
I measured to the bottom of the slide right here.
Yeah. So measure 37 up from that.
So from that, you're...
That's to the grate though, right?
To the top of the grate.
Wow.
So you're 5 inches...
Well, they'll have to definitely make a decision on that.
5 inches taller.
I don't know if I would like that personally.
And then you're going to be... You're going to be 1.5 inches further out here.
Okay, so just 1.5 inches further than this.
Correct.
Okay, that part don't bother me, but I would worry about that part. But that is to the top of the grate.
Top of the grate.
Yeah. I got an update on your fridge. What do you think? I told Sean to come out on the 12th.
It's going to get here on the 11th. Well,
it's already here. That's your fridge.
3, 2, 1, action.
Stopped at this point.
I think that's the easiest way to go. Otherwise, we're just going to leave it in the garage.
I don't think you can drive with it on the back.
No, we'll just leave it back here. We'll scrap it.
No.
Come on, a little more.
Keep coming.
Yeah.
You just want to make sure it fits?
Yes. Like a glove. Like a glove. Get our legs on it. Like a glove. I love it.
Awesome. I love it.
Like a glove.
Woohoo! Our refrigerator came.
Well,
Okay, it didn't come. It was already always here.
so if you've been following us for any length of time, you know that we are huge on dealers when dealing with RVs. There are good dealers, there are not so good dealers, and there are really lousy dealers.
We've dealt with all of them.
We have.
Yeah.
But Slade and Alicia are some of the best that we've ever run across. We cannot, we just can't say enough good things about Rolling Retreats RV.
That's right. They are the best of the best.
Yeah, where else would you find a dealer that said, well, we sold this rig and they don't want these appliances, and so we'll pull this refrigerator out for your rig. It's brand new, never been used. It was in a unit here on the lot, and we'll make you happy.
Oh man, Are you happy? I am so happy. It's so pretty. It's so pretty.
Yeah. So anyway, it matches our microwave. We still don't have a ship date on the original refrigerator that we ordered.
I know.
Over a month ago.
I know. That's why we're so grateful for this fridge.
Yep.
Because we could still be here another 6 months.
Yeah. So thanks for Slade and Alicia and the guys for moving that refrigerator over from the Santa Fe to our rig. It's truly a blessing.
Oh, huge blessing. Huge blessing.
So here's an update. This build is taking longer than anybody ever anticipated.
Yeah.
And nobody's fault.
No.
It just is taking a long time. And here's an update. We now have the refrigerator in. The cabinets around the refrigerator are done. The appliance cabinet is done. The wall cabinet turned out even different than what we had originally planned.
Yeah, it's amazing.
You know, Alicia, again, on the fly, says, well, why don't we just do this? And rather than go straight up the wall, she decided to go over the garage door.
And filled it up.
And filled it up. More storage is better.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah, it came out really, really nice. The drop-in cooktop is in. The bathroom cabinets are in. They're not quite finished yet. There's still a little bit of detail to do on the bathroom cabinets, but they're in, and
we're waiting for latches.
Yeah, they're in, and they're framed, and the doors are on, and they look amazing.
I'm out of words, because it's just, I keep saying, I'm so excited, and I'm amazed at what they've done.
So the boys have everything completed to the point where it doesn't look like a construction zone.
Right, we cleaned it up yesterday, and it's beautiful.
Well, we didn't clean it up.
Okay.
Alicia came in and said, "Ka-shh."
Yeah, Travis
get all your
sweeping.
get all your tools out of here. Get all of your stuff out of here. We're gonna shoot some video." And
that's right. And they did it fast. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, thanks, guys. We really do appreciate
You're
that.
Awesome.
She even set some furniture in there. So again, for those of you that don't know, we special ordered some chairs. They're standalone recliners. They're the European style stressless recliners with ottomans that we ordered. And we don't pick them up until we get up into Montana. We had them delivered to Montana because that's where we thought we were going to be when this was all done.
Exactly.
So Alicia had asked the guys to move furniture from one of her model rigs over to our rig, so at least we could show a little bit of furniture in there, and it looks amazing.
Oh, it does. It does. It's a little cottage. I just love it.
Yeah.
I'm so happy with it.
Yeah, it turned out really, really nice. So we wanted to kind of update everyone on how the construction process is going. So the majors that we're missing we're missing the island countertop because we need to cut a new hole in for our new ranch sink.
That's right.
And that's supposed to be here either the end of this week or the first part of next week.
Yes.
And then we're waiting on the 3 drawers underneath the cooktop. Travis got all that framed out and ready to go. All we need to do is put the drawers in and maybe tweak a couple of adjustments, you know, for the soft close. And everything else is in, right?
Yeah. Other than the clasps for the drawers, I lost
the latches.
The latches. Thank you.
But I mean, all the major stuff. Those.
Yeah.
We're only missing 2 major items now: the drawers and the countertop.
Yeah, that's it. That's all we have to do.
And
then we should be probably by next week. We should have it
ready to go and
ready to go and
to
fill
move
up.
in.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. We'll see.
Excited.
Hey, anyway, we just wanted to update everybody. I mean, Alicia, you are just crazy.
I love you. You're such a good friend, and we feel so blessed to know you guys.
And Slade and the guys in the shop, you guys are amazing. You are absolutely amazing. I mean, you could have said, enough is enough, we're done, we're not doing this, and they just
hate us.
They just keep pressing forward and trying to keep us happy, and we really do appreciate that. So.
And for as long as we've been here, and we kind of complain because we'd like to get on the road and get moving, we're gonna miss them.
We are.
Because they're family
They
now.
are family.
Yeah.
Yep.
So it's gonna be a sad day when we leave.
Yep. So anyway, when you see this, it will probably be Easter weekend. And we want to wish everyone a happy Easter.
Yes.
And we hope that you're with your families during this time, even though I know COVID is going to keep some people away. And I get that. I truly do get that. We just hope that you are all blessed and to be able to gather together with family and friends over this Easter holiday.
Yes. You know, we pray that you're uplifted with happiness and God's blessing and eternal love this year on Easter. And with that, we celebrate that He is risen, is the reason for the season.
Exactly. Exactly. So anyway, we wanted to wish everybody a happy Easter and hope you have time to get together with family. We really do appreciate you guys coming along. For all of you followers that have been following our journey all the way along, thank you so much for hanging out with us, and thanks for sticking around for this lengthy process. We haven't done this on purpose.
No, just the way it is.
It
you know,
is.
it's been a long, long road, but it's worth it.
For you new subscribers that have come along, we really do appreciate this.
Thank you.
You know, thank you so much for coming along. We promise we're going to get back out on the road eventually. And
we have a lot of plans.
We do have a lot of plans, and we're looking forward to it. So thanks for coming along, guys, and we're going to talk to everybody next week.
Steady happening, hear your faulty light, and move on, let it slip, you falling light, ready to grapple with it, let it die so the light comes on, you stay your grip.
What does it feel like?
It feels like home.
I have a holder for my drink.
We got the whole crew in here. That's awesome.
Starting to come together, huh, Alicia?
Yes, I'm so happy. I love it. I love it. I love all of it.
Starting to come together.
I love all of it. I love all of it. I love all of it.